Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. And in today, on our video, this quick tip is about not sabotaging yourself when it comes to creating success for yourself online with your online businesses. Now, right now, we're at a certain time, with the virus, things going on, how the economy has been impacted, so on and so forth. Things are really tough for many people, but there are a few people who are seeing the opportunities, when it comes to making money online for various different online business opportunities, network marketing, multi-level marketing, investing in the market, so on and so forth. However, you guys, I wanted to, just encourage you when it comes to these things, because all these opportunities are great, right? Millionaires and billionaires are being born and made every day. And at these times, these kind of times where things are uncertain when it comes to, economy and things like that. Also, but during, what we consider regular times before all this stuff happens or before there's any recessions or depressions or anything like that, just everyday usual life, there are also millionaires and billionaires being born. But here's the difference. And here's what I want to encourage you all to recognize if you have not already, and then to strengthen your awareness. And that is with the mindset, guys, because so many people are jumping online right now and there are great opportunities and you can make a lot of money. But I don't care what the overall economic outlook is like, whether that's within the United States or the rest of the world. It does not matter what kind of opportunity you engage in, your home-based business, network marketing or multi-level marketing, investing in the stock market or trading, however you want to call it. It does not matter if you have the mindset of poverty, okay? Look, if it doesn't matter if you approach any business you engage in, any opportunity you engage in with a poverty-stricken mindset where you're giving all your attention is on what you don't have, what you have not been able to do, where you have not been able to go, and how things are so hard, even during these times where, every day you hear about more death and all these things around this whole virus deal. If you surround and that's what you're thinking all day, then these are the type of things you're going to get. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go deep into the whole mindset thing, right? But I'm pretty sure if you're into entrepreneurship, if you've been in it for a little while, you know how very important your mindset is when it comes to your results. Okay. So you cannot go into these businesses that you guys are, if you're just now getting into, or even if you've been in entrepreneurship, but you haven't had the successes that you thought you would have, then you might want to take a look at how has your mindset been. Now, again, I'm not going to dive deep into mindset, but I just wanted to make you aware of that, there's opportunities out there, and I guarantee you whatever kind of business you're getting into, these things are awesome. Okay. It is probably a great opportunity. However, it is going to work for the people who believe and know that it's going to work. And the people who have the vision before the physical reality sets in for them when it comes to their money and their bank accounts and so on and so forth. All right. So just wanted to bring that to your attention today. I hope that you guys are having great success in whatever you're doing. If you're not, focus and hone in on what your mindset is like. How is your attitude, right? You cannot go into a business expecting to have a successful business while thinking about how many businesses fail every single day. That is a reality, is true. But there are businesses and people who are very successful as well. And it takes a little bit of time. So, get your mindset right, get your attitude right. And I'm pretty sure your business will turn out just right for you as well. With that said, this is Brian, Revenue Pro Tips. Follow us on all social media platforms. Subscribe to the channel, hit the red subscribe button, the bell notification next to it. Hit that thumbs up as well. And we will see you for next week's Quick Tip Tuesday video. Peace.